Hey, welcome back to Grumpy's house. And what are we doing outside for camera review, right? Security system. Well, for the most part, people say, here's my system mounted on my house, but they don't really show distance. So what we're going to do today is go over the SeQuro 1080p 10-inch model. And we're not going to see much right now because of the glare. We'll spin you around, but we're going to show a little bit of the distance it can get. And I'll show you where the house is, how the camera is, and we'll go over any pros and cons that the system has. So after this little hello, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Well, what I wanted to do, I can't do because there's too much glare at the moment and a whole lot of mosquitoes. But there's the front of the apartment, and as you can see, the camera is mounted way up near the top there in the upstairs window. That's about 20 feet up. We're 50, 60, 70 feet, maybe 80 feet away. And this is where we're at. Yeah, sorry, it's kind of cockeyed here. Sorry, yeah, there you go. But can't really see because of all the shadows. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit record now, which this has a nice touch screen. And seems how we can't get the video in, I'll actually toss in the video of it as the people drive by. Let's see if we can go over a few of the nice features about it. Alright. Here is a USB port. Nice thing about this USB port is you can hook an external hard drive, say a 1 terabyte hard drive, so if you're going to be gone for a couple days, you can set it to record at all motion and it'll record it to your hard drive. You got an HDMI port, you got a power port, and you got your memory card. I recommend getting the best memory cards you can for the best quality picture. It is 10-inch. Nice, good quality picture. The cameras are great. This is full HD. I don't know if you can make that out right now. But as you can see, the camera kind of is recording at the moment. And that way you can actually see where I'm standing out here in the video. It does have an Ethernet port. Now, one of the questions that was asked in the last video, I'm going to stop the recording on that for now. One of the questions that was asked in the last video was if there's internet connectivity, can people access it outside? Well, the only thing the internet port's for is so you can access it via your phone over long distances. Let's say you're in New York and you're watching something in Tennessee. That's what the Ethernet port's for. So it can connect to the internet securely and you can view it. The Wi-Fi part is just between the camera and the DVR itself. It doesn't actually broadcast over the internet via Wi-Fi. So that part is, it's safe and secure without the QR code on the back. They can, and your password, of course. They can't access your system. So it's very secure, very safe, even if you're, New York, Tennessee, Virginia, California away. It doesn't matter. As long as you have internet connectivity at the place where the cameras are, you can connect to it via the app to your phone wherever you're at. So, nice little shot of outdoors. Now I have walked all the way to this building, which is about 120 feet from my front door, which is 10 feet from where the camera sits inside the house. And these apartments are 40 years old approximately, and they are very poor at conducting signal. Yet this camera picks it up quite well, even through the very thick wall. But I think we're going to go in the house and I'll make some room and we'll edit some other footage in. I'll show the recorded footage off the DVR and I'm going to compare it to the other system that they got, the 7-inch high def. So we'll see y'all inside in a little bit. Okay, we're back in the house. Now, unfortunately, you're going to get a little bit of lines on the screen there from the, and there goes Charles's TV. But as you can see, I'll play it back, and then I'll actually put a clip of this in the video too, so you can see it better. But as you can see, it gives you your time up there of how long it ran, your time and dates down here. Of course your controls are here. As you can see, quite a ways away, and there goes the neighbor that drove by. And it'll allow you to take and put it up on an outbuilding, 100 feet away easily. Preferably line of sight, to no other buildings in the way of the camera. But if you put it up high enough, it should produce enough signal to where you can put it on, say, the back of a garage and monitor the back side with no problems. Like I say, most systems say, here's my camera, but they don't show how far away you can actually get. This will actually reach almost to the other side of that building. I didn't push it because it's super hot this morning, very muggy. And I didn't want to be drenched in sweat when I started the video. So, excuse me. Can't really see with that timestamp there, but you can see me there, you can see Charles in the chair, the table. So I mean, it gives you a pretty good idea how far away the system, the DVR, was away from the actual camera itself. And I'm going to go ahead and stop that, back to home. And this is a 7-inch, just standard 720 HD. Zoom in a little bit. As you can see, camera quality is pretty decent. It's going to be slow. But all in all, it's, pretty decent system. Good quality. And this, mind you, this one right here is in direct sunlight. Okay? And some cameras in direct sunlight just don't function very well. These I don't seem to have any problems with. At least not yet anyway. Now I was hoping that we'd have more cameras for this. Last I heard they were on back order. I haven't heard nothing since, and that was a month and a half ago that they were on back order. So I haven't heard anything back as far as that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and do the video anyway. Just to let you know that this is a high-end system for not high-end price. If I remember correctly, this system, the 10-inch monitor, DVR monitor, with one HD 1080p full HD camera, is $200. And that's that's one camera and the 10-inch. They have a 7-inch 1080p that's $150 with one camera. Which that's I made this little stand so at night I can pick up the cameras, take them upstairs, and I made this little flap. Whoops. Of course I'm gonna knock it over. But I fold these down, I can pull the flap over that way. It doesn't keep me up at night shining into my face. It can still record, and if I hear it beep that it's recording, I can lift that up and see what's going on. So I mean, that's that. But it is touchscreen. If you look down here, you can see the, whoops, I just hit the TV. I'll have to hit home again. But with the HDMI, when it's connected, you can actually view it on a TV that is HDMI capable, obviously. There's your SD card, your power, it's recharging. That's why it's got a little green lightning bolt. I'm sure you knew that. You can see it shows full HD here, signal, and what camera it is. So I mean, the system is very robust. Before I contacted SeQuro, I looked at several cameras, and this system is by far and away the best value for dollar. There are systems that cost a lot less. You can get a 10-inch monitor with no hard drive and 4 cameras for like 60 bucks. You can add a hard drive to that for another 60 bucks, a good one. And you're still not going to get the quality that you get with this system here. Okay, you may have more cameras, but they're not going to give you the quality. And while I'm rambling here, like I said, I'll throw the footage of me standing out back so you can actually see, rather than getting all these little lines running through here. So, dollar for dollar, you're not going to beat SeQuro. If you're in New York or Virginia and you got a place in Tennessee, California, Arizona, wherever, you can still monitor that property. It's pretty easy. Bring up the app on a phone or a tablet, you log in, and the same app will run both of these. I can log into either one of these camera systems via with the same app. It's just 2 different logins. But I can monitor both systems with one app. You don't have to have multiple apps. So it's secure, it's excellent value, and for the price, excellent value, you're not going to beat it. It's robust. The cameras are excellent quality. When you see this video inside the actual where I'm talking now, you'll see it's good quality. But this is a short video. Don't have to put a whole lot into it. So if you're looking for a system, get a hold of SeQuro stuff. You will not be disappointed. That's it. Thanks for visiting Grumpy's, and we'll have another video update here shortly, I think. So we'll catch you later. God bless. Peace.